Hey guys, this is my typing test on the Apple iPad. I downloaded Pages, so I'm going to use that for the review. I have a little something on my screen there. First of all, I gotta say, when you first get the iPad, it's kind of awkward to be hovering your fingers over the keyboard, but once you get used to it, it seems very natural and very easy. I've had the iPad for a little less than a week now, and I think typing's pretty good on it. I seem to be kind of off. It depends kind of on the tilt of the iPad, and how my body's positioned to typing on it. Right now, I'm right behind a tripod, so it's not the easiest, but I'm not going to say it's not a fair review. I will start by typing just something random. This is my new Apple iPad. So it did kind of mess up because I clicked Shift and it automatically corrected Apple. You can see it's not perfect, but the autocorrect really helps at times. It's very effective and it's really accurate for a physical keyboard. I've never really seen anything like this before, but then again, there's not really many touchscreen tablets out there on the market at the time, especially with such a responsive touchscreen like the Apple products have released. I think Apple has definitely the best touchscreen out there, especially with multi-touch, and it's the most responsive by far. I will do kind of a formatting test. So I'll capitalize this, and I will click return right before I say iPad. So as you see there, I got it perfect. That's just kind of a test of the shift button and the return button. There's also these buttons here, and it kind of tries to mock a real physical keyboard as much as possible. There's a comma and a period there, so comma and period are without the shift. Sorry. And then when you click Shift, you don't have to hold it. You can just click it. It'll turn into an exclamation mark or a question mark. And there's an option in settings to turn on cap locks. So when you double tap Shift, it'll kind of bold, and now I'll be in cap locks. So you can kind of take what you want from this. I think the iPad keyboard is very nice. As some of you may know, you can connect a Bluetooth keyboard to it, so there is that option if you're kind of scared it won't be efficient enough for you, or you can't really get a handle of it. By doing that, you just purchase a Bluetooth keyboard and pair it in settings. You cannot connect a Bluetooth mouse for kind of obvious reasons because it's a touchscreen. So this has been my review of the Apple typing test. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more Apple iPad videos, and rate and comment. Thanks, guys.